Here's a quick tip to show you how to set up the bathroom for independence and reduce the likelihood of incontinence. One reason the bathroom can be problematic for people with dementia is that there's usually very little contrast between items in the room. Here are examples of low contrast. When there isn't enough contrast, the fixtures, wall, and floor look like they blend together. This makes it very difficult for someone with dementia to find what they need and be independent. Older adults in general need 2 to 3 times more contrast and lighting than younger people in order to see things easily. Try painting the wall behind the sink and toilet a bright, cheery color that really makes the fixtures stand out. You could also replace a white toilet seat with a colored one, making it easier for someone to see. Make sure the lights near the vanity are bright white, and purchase a night light that will automatically turn on once the room is dark. That will improve safety during nighttime visits to the bathroom. Think about how you can make frequently used items stand out. For example, a colored toothbrush that's a different color from the counter, towels that contrast with the wall color. These simple changes will help someone find what they need more easily. Now that you have made your bathroom dementia-friendly, take a look around your home. You can apply these same principles and make your whole home more supportive for your loved one with dementia.